Preservatives keep our food safe. Nitrates and nitrites are found naturally and they also used as preservatives in processed meat. Sodium nitrate is a preservative commonly associated with pink or cured meats and contains nitrate. It's further transformed into two other compounds in our body. One is nitric oxide, which is good for our health, and two nitrosamines, which are harmful at high levels. Many companies have created organic and natural meat products without using synthetic preservatives. Moderation is key when it comes to processed red meat, especially after assessing other risk factors in an individual. Hi, in this video I'm going to explain about how cooking methods affect meat quality and some tips to reduce health risks. If high levels of nitrite exist in foods that are also high in protein, for example processed meat, and they're exposed to high temperature cooking like grilling or high heat frying, many of the nitrites are transformed into harmful nitroso compounds. Another group of harmful compounds called heterocyclic amines or HCAs and polyaromatic hydrocarbons are formed during high temperature cooking of all meats in general. Now these can also be converted into the harmful nitroso compounds. Let's look at some tips to reduce the harmful effects. The first is the cooking time. Prolonged cooking and grilling of meat and direct exposure to the flame should be avoided. A study showed that flipping hamburgers every minute for 7 minutes results in less than 1/10 the level of HCA compared to flipping it once with a cooking time of 9 minutes. Grill small sections of meat so that they cook faster. Second point is about the temperature. Now, high temperature cooking for a prolonged duration must be avoided, which is greater than 160 degrees centigrade. Third is the equipment. Now, usage of microwave ovens is recommended. The meat can be microwaved first to reduce the cooking time on the grill. 2 minutes of microwaving before grilling has shown to reduce the HCA formation by 90%. Pat the meat dry before grilling so that less juice drips on the grill. Meat can be covered by tin foil while grilling to avoid the juice from dripping. Also, less smoke will reach the meat if this is done. Increase the distance of the meat from the heat source. Raise the surface and move the charcoal to the sides of the grill. After each use, clean the grill thoroughly to get rid of charred food stuck to the surface. It's better to cook on a metal grill than in a cast iron skillet, since the skillet increases contact with hot metal. Cooking on a lava stone may not be completely risk-free, as the food is exposed to the smoke as fat drips on it eventually, even though less fat may be required to cook the meat. Barbecue in a well-ventilated place where smoke can waft away instead of accumulating on food. Ensure that air circulates around the food. The fourth point is the type of meat. Use leaner cuts for grills to avoid charring. Avoid consuming charred meat parts. They can be scraped off with a knife. And the fifth point is about marination. Marinating with apple cider vinegar, spices like turmeric and rosemary, olive oil and lemon juice reduce the formation of harmful compounds during cooking meat. Hope you found this information useful. If you liked the video, please like, comment and share. You may also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.